This is going to be great. Let's hear from Jessica, an economics major. Thanks to her liberal arts education in management and multiple internship opportunities, she's locked down a job before her senior year even started. DePauw graduates have a long tradition of success in business, from Fortune 500 CEOs to cutting-edge entrepreneurs. Jess, tell us your recipe for success.
Thanks for that introduction, Alex. Hi, everyone. In high school, I was actually committed to play volleyball at a different university before I reopened my options. When exploring different universities, I knew I wanted a strong management, finance, or economics academic program that would provide me with an expansive alumni network, internship opportunities, and potential job opportunities further into the future. And to play collegiate volleyball, of course. During my initial visit to DePauw as a high school senior, I discovered the Management Fellows Honors Program, a program dedicated to supplementing the liberal arts education with exposure to management, finance, and business career paths. In addition to developing connections with DePauw graduates and esteemed alumni, I'd have the opportunity to take a semester-long internship in a field that interested me. Shortly after the visit, I drove back down to DePauw from the Chicago area, interviewed for the program, and committed a week later. The amazing thing about the liberal arts is that you have the opportunity to get involved in anything you want to and more. Over the course of my 4 years, I've been a collegiate volleyball player, become co-president of the investment banking workshop, and had the opportunity to take a semester-long internship with KeyBank Capital Markets, as well as a summer internship with Citizens Bank. I'm also a member of the Alpha chapter of Kappa Alpha Theta, the first ever sorority founded right here at DePauw in 1870. Before my senior year even began, I had already secured a full-time position with KeyBank as an investment banking analyst following graduation. It's a dream opportunity, and it's all stemmed directly from the resources provided to me by the program and DePauw's expansive alumni network. But beyond just professional opportunities, I've also made some of the most supportive, lifelong friends that anyone could ask for, and made some of the most priceless memories along the way. That's my story. Back to you, Alex.
Incredible, and congratulations, Jessica. DePauw will launch a new School of Business and Leadership in fall 2023, making it one of only a handful of liberal arts colleges to feature one. The future looks even brighter for students who follow in Jessica's footsteps. Thanks for sharing her story.